Hey guys, an update on the S&P 500. So yeah, we're getting a green day here. Like I said, the 4 hourly and up until the daily were oversold, are still oversold if you look at the 4 hour and the daily. So I was expecting a good day. We're getting it. The day is not closed yet, but what I've done now is I've pulled fibs from the low to the high here. And then potentially this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, like in a wave 1. Okay, A, B, C. In a wave 2, we reacted to the 0.32 on the dollar. And then, yeah, if you want to be bearish, we want to see a 5-wave move down here. That is invalid because we have overlap between wave 1 to wave 3 and wave 1 and wave 4, I mean. So that's good for the bulls, in my opinion. Locally, I think probabilities are higher to still take this low first. With that, potentially we can close the daily above this point of control, which is, to me, an important point of control because it's from this big range here. I even took it from here or here. Let me check it quickly. Yeah, this whole range basically. So this is a pretty significant point of control. Let's see if we can get back above it here. On the 4 hourly, what I can do as well is we have this red candle in between the green candles. Of course, that is if we can close this next one green. Still 2.5 hours left, but this will be then, I don't know what it's called, but an order block or whatever. I like to have it on the chart. It can act as support should we go down, yeah, in the future, okay, here locally. News, not really much more. Here Belgium says that it will help to guarantee free, yeah, vessels moving freely through the Strait of Hormuz. We have then, yeah, Trump saying that there are serious conversations going on with Iran. Yeah, some people don't believe it. Some people say it's market manipulation. I think, yep, it can act as market manipulation, but I think it's also legit because Turkey and Pakistan are involved in it. Saudi Arabia, etc. They are meeting today again separately without Iran and the US, but I think indeed there are some conversations happening. Okay, that's I think a good thing. Of course, we'll have to wait and see if we get a confirmation or like a deal soon. That will obviously be a boost to the market. And yeah, looking here at the daily would be nice, I think, to close the candle here, the volume candle, higher than the previous volume candle. I think we will get this. We still have 5 hours left. And then it would also be nice to close above the point of control here. Okay, but then still that would mean nothing. We had a good reaction here and here as well, always from these point of controls, but it then fell back down. I did add this trend line here, this more sharp descending trend line. That's the first task as well, I think, together with this yellow line, the 20 EMA, to get above. And yeah, locally then on the lower time frame we want to see, yeah, 5-wave structures. Here in this one I can count it, and now we need continuation here. Okay, ideally for the bulls this is a 1, this is a 2, and now you just go 3, 4, 5, maybe grab liquidity above that trend line. This would be a first sign of strength. Okay, for now we're not having it. It's trying here to follow through, but yeah, we'll keep monitoring and see how the day unfolds. Ideally we hold this low, and yeah, you can see here also the point of control is being respected still, so I'm keeping it on the chart. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.